Hey there, kids. We're just looking at some multiplication here today. We're looking at 1 digit times 4 digits. There's 4 digits on the top and one on the bottom. Now, there's a couple different ways of doing this. The way that the book taught you was to use something called the area model. Okay, and this is quite simple. You got to know your multiplication facts, though, don't you? Okay, you could draw a rectangle like this right here. We're going to put the 6 on the left-hand side like this. We have 4 digits up here. The first one is 5,000. So we're going to write that over here, 5,000. Okay, you don't need to put in the comma right now. And then the next thing is 300. The next part is 30. And the last part is 9 right there. Okay, and we're going to divide these up right here like this. And we're going to use a distributive property. We're going to go 6 times 5,000, then we're going to go 6 times 300, then we're going to go 6 times 30, then we're going to go 6 times 9, and then we're going to add them all together. Well, 6 times 5 is how much? Right. 6 times 5 is 30, and there's 3 more zeros to it, so it's going to be 30,000. Okay. The next one, 6 times 3. Well, 6 times 3 is 18, and there's going to be 2 zeros to it. 6 times 3 again is 18, but this time there's only 1 zero to it right there. That 0 right there goes right there. And the last thing is 6 times 9. Now, a lot of kids don't get that one until I say 9 times 6, and then they know that that's 54, right? Okay. Now, all of these things right here are called partial products. They're part of the answer. But to get the real answer, we have to add them all together. So we had 30,000, and this time it helps to put in the comma. Okay, 30,000. And then right here we have 1,800, so that's the same thing as 1,800. Okay, and right here is 180. Line everything up. You got to line it all up nicely. Keep it neat. 180. And the last thing here is 54. Okay, 54. And now we add these all together. Okay, if we start by adding the ones, we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. That's 4. We have 0 plus 0 plus 8 and 5. That's 13. We put down a 3 and we carry up a 1. Okay, a 1 and an 8 is a 9, and one more is 10. So put down a 0 and carry up a 1. Then we have a 1, a 0, and a 1. That equals 2. And 3 and nothing equals 3. So the answer is 32,034. Now, your parents or maybe your teacher or somebody may have taught you how to do it a different way, and you can do it that way too. The other way is called the standard algorithm, and what we're going to do is we're going to go 6 times 9, then we're going to go 6 times 3, then we're going to go 6 times 3, and then we're going to go 6 times 5. Okay? So we start off like this. We go 6 times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Put down a 4 and you carry up the 5. You get it? That's 5 10s and 4 1s. That's why we put it over here, right? The next thing is we finished with that 9. Now we're gonna go over here to this 3. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 5 is 23. So we're gonna put down a 3 and we're gonna carry up a 2. Okay? 6 times 3 is 18, plus we have to add in this 2 more. 18 and 2 is 20. Put down a 0, carry up a 2. And the last one is 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32. Okay, so we get an answer of 32,034. Hey, wait a second. That is the exact same thing that we got down here. Remember that? Okay, so we got the same answer here and here. It's two different ways of doing the same thing. You pick whatever way makes you happy. Just get the right answer. Okay, kids, go ahead and give it a try. If you need help, come and see us. We'll help you. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.